8 Essential Tips for Choosing Bathroom Tiles in India. Choosing bathroom tiles can significantly impact both the aesthetics and functionality of your space. The right tiles can transform an ordinary bathroom into a personal sanctuary, reflecting your style while offering durability against moisture and daily wear. In India, the diversity of tile options is vast. Homeowners can explore various materials, colors, and patterns that cater to different tastes and budgets, ranging from elegant porcelain to vibrant ceramics and earthy natural stones. With so many options, selecting the right tiles can feel overwhelming. However, informed guidance can help you curate a harmonious combination that enhances both style and space efficiency in your bathroom. Assessing your bathroom space is crucial. Take precise measurements of the dimensions and consider features like sinks, toilets, and shower enclosures. Software or online design tools can help visualize how certain tile sizes fit your layout. Natural light plays a vital role in enhancing your bathroom's aesthetics. Lighter colors reflect light better, creating an illusion of openness. Large tiles with minimal grout lines can give a seamless, spacious look. Choosing the right tile type is essential. Ceramic tiles are affordable and available in various designs but can be softer. Porcelain tiles are denser and more durable, ideal for humid environments. Natural stone tiles offer luxury and uniqueness but require careful maintenance. Prioritizing slip resistance in tile selection ensures safety, especially in wet areas. Look for tiles with a coefficient of friction (COF) of 0.6 or higher. Matte or honed finishes can enhance safety while maintaining style. Color and style considerations significantly influence your bathroom's aesthetics. Lighter hues create openness, while darker shades add depth. Current trends in India include geometric patterns and large format tiles that provide a seamless look. Budgeting for bathroom tiles is vital. Tiles vary in price, with ceramic tiles being more affordable and natural stone or designer porcelain costing more. Calculate the total space coverage and leave room for unexpected costs. Exploring local tile markets and online platforms can help find quality tiles within your budget. Showrooms provide a tactile experience, while online catalogs offer reviews and user feedback to inform your choices. Setting aside 10 to 15% of your tile budget for contingencies can save headaches later. This accounts for surface preparation, additional materials, and potential professional installation costs, especially for intricate patterns. Color coordination is essential during budgeting. It's not just about picking the perfect tiles but also ensuring they complement your overall bathroom design. Sample swatches can help visualize how colors work together under different lighting conditions. By combining functionality with aesthetic appeal, you can create a bathroom design that meets your practical needs and serves as a soothing retreat reflective of your unique style. These tips will guide you in selecting the perfect bathroom tiles for your home in India.